From Washington State.
From Washington State, everybody. Anybody else here from Washington State? No?
Just me and my wife.
It's just you and your wife. All right, give it up for Suey and his wife from Washington State. Now, Suey, what will you be doing for us tonight?
I'll be singing One in a Million by Larry Bird.
All right, now. My mother loves that song. I'm going to have to tell you. No pressure, though. No pressure. Give it up for Suey, everybody.
You. Dedicate this song to my beautiful wife that I just got married to 3 hours ago. So as you can see, I'm still nervous. Game on me so long. Started to believe never find anyone. Doubt and tried to convince me to give in. Sit here with you. But one day the sun came shining through. The rain had stopped and the skies were blue. And no other revelation to see. Someone was saying I love you to me. Chance of a lifetime. Life showed compassion. Man said to me, a stroke of love called you. One in a million. A lonely man with empty arms to fill. Then I found a piece of happiness to call my own. Life is worth living once again. For to love you to me is to live. My one chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion. Man said to me, a stroke of love called you. A one in a million you. My one in a million chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion. Man said to me, a stroke of love called you. One in a million you. One in a million you.
Come on now, Suey. Come on now. Come on now.